Did you learn virtual assistant free or paid? Let's debate. So virtual assistant free and paid, I've go through the both and I've seen the difference. I wasted almost 6 months just watching YouTube videos, Canva tutorial, Trello, Asana, different type of tutorials on YouTube. But still, I feel something was wrong because I still didn't know what I was doing. My name is Timida Otuluwase and I'm an administrative virtual assistant. And I'm the founder of Jovex Remote Academy. I'm going to be honest with you. I've done free training and I've done paid training, and I know which work best because they are not the same thing at all. Free content is everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you can find it everywhere. And it sounds amazing because you get free knowledge, you learn things easily. But this is what make it not as good as paid training. Follow me and I will show you in this video. So learning free content like you are self-learning, this is what it really costs. Because imagine now, today you learn Canva tutorial, tomorrow Trello tutorial, next tomorrow Gmail tutorial. After months, you still feel like you are not moving forward because you don't have a structure. You're just watching the tutorials one after the other without having a structure, and that make the tutorials you are watching useless because you will still feel confused without building anything. This was me for real. I was, jumping around, finding content, and when it's time to create a portfolio, I say that I couldn't do it because I don't have any project. I was just watching video, consuming knowledge every day without actually doing the right thing. So I would jump from Canva to email to just jumping around. And then after doing everything and I see that I didn't really care it. So I went to get a training at Empower R remotely. So I joined the training. It was a structured 6 weeks program. And I started learning. The week one, we learn basic of virtual assistants and things like that. Week two, email management. After email management, this is the next thing. We learn with structure. And after that, I started seeing, with the experience of the free training I had before, everything started making sense. I was able to gather projects to do my portfolio. Everything started becoming easy. When I have question, I was able to reach out to my coach to ask her to clarify things for me. It was really, really easy. Here is the difference between free and paid training. Paid training, you get structure, but free training, you only watch and watch without structure. Free training is like dropping 500 videos into your brain at once, but paid training will give you the structure of the steps to take one after the other. With paid training, you get feedback, you get results, you get certificates, and you will be accountable. If you are with a good coach, you will be able to account for things you are doing. You do assignments, you know, it will be easy for you to go through things in structure, not just picking this, picking that, picking this, picking that. Watching free training, especially on YouTube, imagine three coaches and you are watching email management from this coach, email management from this, and email management from the third one. What will confuse you the most is that what they will be saying in each tutorials might be different. It will confuse you and you won't be able to ask immediately that how do you do this? How do you do this? So free training is good when you know the structure, which I will say when you get a paid training and you've already know the next steps to take, you can use a free training to go deeper, to learn more. So you'll be able to learn more, to know more things under what you have already structured, not just picking things randomly and start to learn. Here's the real truth about paid training. Even when you take paid training, it doesn't mean you will succeed automatically. After taking paid training, get your certificate, you still have work to do. You still gotta show up, you should post, you should practice more, you should find clients. You will just get your certificate and sit down there and start expecting clients without doing anything. That way it won't work. You have to work more for it. Here is what I tell people. If you have no money to invest in paid training, start with free training, but only learn the basic using free training. Don't try to go deeper into it because it will really affect you. Learn the basic. You can learn on Udemy, Alison, YouTube, TikTok. A lot of platforms are there to learn from. You can use it, you can even implement AI to learn. And after learning the basic and you see that you have passion for what you are learning, you are interested in going deeper. After that, you can go for a paid training. Then all those things that you learn, the basic, you already know the basic, to make it easy to learn the paid training and to assimilate it easily than just starting. Because you already know the basic, all you have to do is to know the deep version of what you already know. After investing and getting a paid training, you will be able to go deeper. You will have someone to tell you what to do. You will have the structure to follow. And even after getting a person to control you, to direct you, to guide you, you should still learn more. You should do everything you are asked to do. You should work, you should practice. And here is the thing about all this remote work, especially virtual assistants, which I do. You can do it from anywhere, whether you are in Lagos, Nigeria, Uganda, United States, you can do it anywhere around the world. You can work for clients in any country, which make it easy for you, flexible, you work at your own pace. Most people who fail in remote work didn't fail because they didn't have a good mentor or such. Most people fail because firstly they didn't follow structure. Secondly, they didn't practice. Most people will buy course and dump it. So all those things really affect them a lot. Some people fail because they don't have a structured plan. Free information is good, but a structured information is much better. For structured information, it is what will get you clients, what will make clients pay you and make clients keep you and continue working with them. Subscribe and comment below. Tell me if you take a paid or free training. And if you are thinking about starting a remote work, write in the comment section interested and we will talk about it. I will see you in the next lesson.